Hey guys, so this is actually going to be a little bit of a different video. As some of you guys have been following the series, I have been training my model to essentially start, forecasting and predicting crypto. I actually started a couple of weeks ago, 2 weeks ago actually, and I had a completely different, model based off specifically for crypto. It predicted Bitcoin down to 56K. It's predicting XRP to like 60 cents, which I think I already did a video, and XRP is like 55. And it actually predicted this, right, which I didn't show anybody until today. It predicted this at 95, right? So this is for the PEPE coin, right? For PEPE, for PEPE, whatever you guys want to call it. It predicted this, right? And it said it's predicting a level of 95, right? And I did this. This was back on here. Let's do this for example. Chart type line, right? I ran this sometime back in April 19th, right? To test, and it's currently at 14. And it said that it was going to hit 95. So again, this was from April 17th up until now, and this runs on 20 intervals. So I'm not surprised that it hit, within a month or so, roughly, right? Whenever we use a 24-hour chart, we can kind of expect like within a month. With a week, it's maybe about 2 to 3 months. Running the 4-hour chart would probably be within like 2 weeks to like a month. Within 1 month, it got it right. And I didn't share this with anybody, but I wanted to make sure that, you guys understand that it got PayPay correct up to 95. So if I ran it here and it went up to 95, that would have been a 76% increase in about a month or so, right? And if you kept holding PayPay until now, you're looking at a 169% increase on PayPay coin. So I'm going to start running this again. XRP, I think it has XRP tracked for 60 cents, which I think it's only 5 cents away from hitting. And I actually made a video on that on TikTok about, I think like last week, right? And then also, obviously, the Bitcoin dropped to 56K. Already got that, and I think I just ran. I ran Bitcoin again, and it's saying it gave a forecasted price of $75,000. And I think Bitcoin's getting extremely close to that, right? 69 had a drop right now, but we'll see. I don't expect it to really do anything big until it breaks 73K. If it can break that, then I think that we're good. If not, I think Bitcoin's going to drop again, right? But yeah, there you go. It predicted PayPay 95 cents maybe about a week or so ago to 95, right? Or not a week or so, but it basically gave the prediction to 95 cents. So it was right. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.